Have you ever climbed a few stairs and suddenly felt your chest become heavy? Or your legs feel strangely weak for no clear reason? Many adults over 50 quietly notice these changes starting slowly. Less energy in the morning, feeling tired after small tasks, cold hands and feet, and sometimes a strange pressure that makes people stop and think, what is happening inside my body? What scares many people is this. Most circulation problems do not start loudly. They start quietly. And that is why so many adults are now becoming interested in simple daily habits that may help support healthy blood flow and overall heart wellness naturally. One ingredient people are suddenly talking about again is cloves. Yes, those tiny dark spices sitting in the kitchen cabinet. But before we continue, it's important to understand something clearly. This is not magic. And this is definitely not a cure for artery disease or heart problems. These are simply supportive wellness habits that some people use as part of a healthy lifestyle focused on circulation and healthy aging. In today's video, we'll talk about simple ways people are mixing cloves with water and other natural ingredients because they believe these habits may help support circulation, digestion, and overall wellness naturally over time. And honestly, one method later in this video surprised many people because it looks almost too simple to matter. Before we go deeper, take one quick second to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me this in the comments. Now here is where things start becoming interesting. Many people think cloves are only used for cooking or tea, but cloves naturally contain antioxidants and plant compounds that have made them popular in traditional wellness routines for generations. And recently, many adults have started drinking simple clove water in the mornings. Why? Because some people believe it helps support digestion and healthy circulation when combined with better lifestyle habits. And honestly, the routine itself is extremely simple. Some people place a few cloves into warm water and leave them overnight. Others gently boil cloves in water for several minutes and allow the drink to cool slightly before drinking it slowly in the morning. That's it. No complicated routine. No expensive products. Just a simple drink many adults are now adding into their mornings. And surprisingly, many people say the biggest thing they notice first is not dramatic changes. It is how the body feels. Some adults say they feel lighter after meals. Others say they enjoy replacing sugary drinks with something warmer and calmer in the morning. And many people simply enjoy the habit because it feels relaxing and easy to continue. That matters more than people realize, because healthy routines only work when people can stay consistent with them. One older man shared that after retirement, he started waking up feeling slower every year. He said mornings became harder. His energy felt lower, and he constantly searched online for quick fixes. But eventually, he became tired of fake promises and extreme health trends. So instead, he started focusing on small daily habits. Morning walks, more water, less processed food, and warm clove water a few times each week. Later, he said something very interesting. He stopped obsessing over instant results and started feeling better simply because he was finally taking care of himself consistently. And honestly, many adults need to hear that. Because fear makes people rush toward dangerous promises online. But real wellness habits usually work more slowly and gently. Now here is something many people never think about. Digestion and circulation are often connected. When people constantly eat heavy processed foods, stay stressed, avoid movement, and ignore hydration, the body may not feel its best over time. That is why many adults are now trying small supportive habits that encourage healthier routines overall. And cloves became popular partly because they feel simple. Warm water, natural spices, quiet morning routine. That calm feeling itself can encourage people to slow down and pay attention to their health again. But here is where many people make a mistake. They think more must mean better. Some people start using too many cloves too quickly because they expect fast changes. But gentle and balanced habits are usually smarter long term. Most people who use clove water regularly only use a small amount. And honestly, that realistic mindset is probably one of the healthiest parts of this entire routine. Now, something surprising is happening with the next method people are trying. Because many adults are no longer drinking plain clove water alone anymore. They are starting to combine cloves with another ingredient many people already have sitting in their kitchen right now: cinnamon. This is the ingredient many people are now quietly mixing with clove water. And honestly, the reason this combination became popular is very interesting. Because many adults after 50 start noticing something unusual happening inside the body. They wake up tired even after sleeping. Their legs feel heavy after small activities. Some people say their hands and feet stay cold more often. Others notice they simply do not feel as active and fresh as before. That is why many adults started looking for small daily habits that may help support circulation and overall wellness naturally. And somehow, cloves and cinnamon slowly became part of those conversations. Some people now place a small cinnamon stick into warm clove water and drink it slowly in the morning. Others boil both ingredients together for a few minutes and let the drink cool slightly before drinking it. The smell alone feels calming, warm, comforting, simple. And honestly, many adults say that calm feeling is one reason they continue the habit. Because stressful routines never last long, but small peaceful habits often do. Now here is something interesting many people never think about. The body reacts to daily habits slowly over time. That means one stressful meal may not ruin your health overnight, but years of poor habits may slowly affect how the body feels. In the same way, supportive habits usually work gently and consistently instead of dramatically. That realistic understanding is helping many people avoid dangerous instant cleanse trends online. Some adults who enjoy clove and cinnamon water say they started becoming more mindful afterward. They drank more water during the day. They started walking more often. Some reduced processed snacks and sugary drinks. And honestly, that may be the real hidden benefit. One healthy habit often leads to another. One older woman shared that she originally started drinking warm clove and cinnamon water simply because she liked the smell. But over time, she noticed the routine helped her slow down in the mornings instead of rushing into stress immediately after waking up. She later said something powerful. She realized wellness is not always about doing something extreme. Sometimes it is simply about consistently choosing calmer and healthier habits every day. And honestly, many people after 50 need that reminder. Because fear makes people panic about health changes, but panic often pushes people toward unrealistic promises instead of sustainable routines. Now there is another combination quietly becoming popular: clove and lemon water. And strangely, many people prefer this version because it feels lighter and fresher compared to warm spice drinks. Some adults squeeze fresh lemon into warm clove water before drinking it. Lemon naturally contains vitamin C and adds a refreshing taste many people enjoy in the morning. Some people say this combination feels cleaner and easier to drink regularly. Others enjoy replacing sugary morning drinks with something more refreshing and simple. Again, this is not a cure for blocked arteries or heart disease, and it does not replace medical care. These are simply supportive wellness habits some people enjoy as part of a balanced lifestyle focused on healthy aging. And honestly, that realistic mindset matters more than people realize, because the internet is full of scary health promises. Clean your arteries overnight, reverse years instantly, miracle cure in one day. But real wellness usually looks much quieter than that. Small habits, better sleep, more movement, less stress, more water, simple supportive routines. That is why many adults are becoming more interested in realistic wellness instead of dramatic promises. And here is where things become even more surprising. Some people are not drinking clove water only in the morning anymore. In fact, many adults are now using cloves at night in completely different ways because they believe stress and digestion may also affect how the body feels over time. That is where nighttime clove tea suddenly becomes interesting, because many adults say the body feels completely different at night compared to early morning. Stress feels heavier. Digestion may feel slower. The mind keeps running. And sometimes people wake up the next morning already feeling tired before the day even begins. So instead of ending the night with sugary snacks or heavy drinks, some adults are now making simple, warm clove tea part of their evening routine. And honestly, many people are surprised by how calming the habit feels. Some gently boil a few cloves in water and drink it warm before bed. Others add a small piece of fresh ginger or a few mint leaves because they enjoy the fresh smell and warming feeling. The goal is not to create a miracle drink. The goal is creating a calmer wellness habit the body may enjoy consistently over time. And strangely, many adults say the biggest change is not what happens physically first. It is what happens mentally. The routine forces them to slow down. Think about that for a second. Most people spend years stressing about health while ignoring the small habits happening every single day. Fast food, no movement, poor sleep, constant stress, too little water. Then suddenly one day the body starts feeling older, much faster than expected. That realization scares many adults, but it also motivates some people to finally change small things before bigger problems appear. One man shared that he used to spend hours online searching for fast artery cleaning tricks. But eventually he became exhausted by fake promises and scary videos. Then he started focusing on something much simpler instead. Evening walks, better sleep, less processed food, and warm clove tea before bed a few nights each week. Later, he said something powerful. For the first time in years, he stopped feeling like he was fighting against his body and started feeling like he was finally supporting it. And honestly, that emotional shift may matter more than any trendy health trick online, because real wellness rarely comes from fear. It usually grows slowly through small habits repeated consistently. And the surprising part is this: many people chasing instant artery cleansing never realize the body often responds better to balanced long-term routines than extreme short-term fixes. Maybe the biggest surprise in this entire conversation is not cloves at all. It is how many people wait until they feel scared before finally paying attention to their health. For years, the body keeps sending quiet signals. Less energy, slower movement, feeling tired after simple tasks, heavy breathing, poor sleep, cold hands and feet. But many adults ignore those signs because life feels busy and stressful. Then one day they suddenly start searching for emergency solutions, fast cleanses, miracle drinks, instant fixes. But real wellness usually does not happen that way. Most adults who successfully improve their lifestyle over time often start with very small habits: drinking more water, walking daily, sleeping earlier, eating less processed food, finding calmer routines, and sometimes adding simple drinks like warm clove water into their day because it helps them feel more mindful and connected to their health again. And honestly, that simple shift may be more powerful than people realize, because when people finally stop fighting their body and start supporting it gently, healthier routines often become easier to maintain long-term. That is why so many adults are becoming more interested in realistic wellness habits instead of scary internet promises. No overnight miracle, no instant artery cleaning, no magic trick in 24 hours, just supportive daily choices repeated consistently over time. This video is for educational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tell me in the comments, what small healthy habit are you trying to stay consistent with right now?